Hi guys, welcome to the Conscious Entrepreneurs channel, and this is video 3 of the series that I'm going to be the training series that I'm doing for how to make money with as an Amazon affiliate using YouTube without actually being on camera. Okay, so actually I did do a bit of research before doing this video. And if you look back in the previous video, what we did is, so the first video, we found this item right here. The second video, we took the descriptions and everything, all of the information that they give us on the Amazon page on this listing. And then we basically pasted it into a document so that we've got information for to create our video. Okay, we're literally going to copy and paste all of this information and put it onto a video, and we'll put it onto what do you call it, the video software that is created with sorry, not created, I don't know what I'm talking about today. But basically we're going to copy and paste all of the text and everything onto Vidnami. The reason why I lost my train of thought is because Vidly and Vidnami, they've got like they both got the V. So I always get confused. Like sometimes I'm saying Vidnami when it's Vidly, and sometimes I say Vidly when it's Vidnami. But basically, Vidnami creates beautiful videos, like with literally within minutes, and you don't have to be on camera, and you don't have to talk or anything. They actually have a robotic, kind of like a robotic human voice, and it basically just talks and basically reads the text that you're writing on the video, and you'll get to see that anyway in the next video. Okay, but in this video, what we're going to do is we are going to use Vidly. Now, Vidly, if you haven't watched the previous videos, I suggest that you go back from the beginning and you watch those videos to understand exactly what we're doing here and how we're using Vidly and how we're using Vidnami, okay? Vidly is a tool that helps your videos get ranked on the first page of Google and YouTube for the keyword that you have chosen, okay? So, I don't know if we are going to rank, but let's go. Let's give it. Okay. So let me just go into my Vidly account. Okay. By the way, I've already found a keyword because I did a bit of keyword research before I did this video, and I found a keyword, but I'm going to show you the process of how I found it. So it's really easy and simple. I don't want people to be like, oh, she done research before. It was literally 5 minutes research. Okay, let's fit smartwatch. This is the keyword that we're going to type into this software. And it's just to give us different variations of that keyword. So we're not going to go for directly for that keyword because it might be too competitive to rank. Okay. Remember what I told you in the first few videos? I told you that if you go for a highly competitive keyword, it may not rank. So we want to kind of get variations, maybe make it a long tail keyword so that it's much easier to rank for and still get some traffic to it. Okay. So we go to the keyword tool. Okay, this is the keyword tool in Vidly. And this is what we're going to be using to search our keywords. Now, I actually found a really cool keyword with this tool, and I'm going to show you. So what we do is we can pick worldwide, we can pick United States, like who we're targeting and what key. Basically it will find us the most searched keyword for those areas, but we're going to go worldwide, okay, everywhere, because that's ultimately, anyone can buy it from anywhere. So let's fit smartwatch is our keyword. I'm going to research that, and it's going to basically pull up a whole bunch of keywords that are related to that keyword. And then what I'm going to do now, check this out, yeah? This keyword gets 12,000 searches a month. That is quite, obviously, that's going to be quite competitive, and it's going to be kind of hard for us to rank a video in minutes. Now, we may be able to do it. I don't know. Yeah. I don't know if it's possible to do, but I haven't done it. But from what I've seen quite a lot of people doing YouTube videos on this keyword. So it may not get we may not be able to rank for this keyword because it's competitive. Like I said, we want to go for the low hanging fruit. Low hanging fruit meaning it's easy to rank, and we get a couple of, like, maybe 100, 200 searches a month. That is enough to make sales. Okay, we don't need a lot of views and a lot of clicks to make sales, because think about it, those people that are watching your video are already in the buyer's mindset. They're looking to buy it. Okay, remember what I told you. If you're searching a product, a name on the internet, chances of you buying are very, very high, because you wouldn't be searching for that product if you're not looking to buy it. Okay, so I found a product name. What one was it? It was actually, I found, because I wanted to show you how I did it. That's why I'm scrolling through. But actually, it was what I found. I found the product and I put it on here on our docs. The product name was Amazon Let's Fit smartwatch. That's what I found. Let's look for Amazon Let's Fit smartwatch. If I can find the keyword again. But I definitely got it from here. Oh, here it is. Amazon Let's Fit smartwatch. Okay. So all of these, the source, I think it's like where it's being searched. Okay, so it's searched on this specific search is actually being searched on Google, not so much YouTube, but on Google. But if we can rank our video on Google, we will still be seen, and it will rank on YouTube. Now, obviously, no one's going to search it on YouTube, because it says here that people are not searching it on YouTube; they're searching it on Google, right? But if we can rank our video on Google, people are going to see it. And now I'm going to show you the really cool thing. We're going to copy and paste this keyword. Okay, I'll just save it to my saved keywords as well. And we're going to do some more research on here. And we're going to type in Amazon Let's Fit Watch research. Okay, start new research. And now this tool is actually going to show us roughly how many searches it's getting a month. Now, you can see here it's getting 800 monthly search volume, an estimated 114 YouTube views per month. That is crazy. Like I said to you before, it's not many, but it's a lot, enough to get sales. Okay, so this is the keyword that I have decided to go for. Okay, that is the keyword we're going for. And then I will show you how you can create your video. And then what we're going to do is we're going to generate a code, which I will show you in the next video, after when we create our video. The next video after that, I will show you how to generate the code to put into your video to get it ranked. Okay, so how long did that take, guys? Like, I know I did a bit of research before, but it wasn't a lot of research. Trust me, it was a 2 minute. It's just like what I'm showing you right now, just like a 2 minute research. I mean, there's so many other keywords that we can pick. We can pick this one. This one actually gets a lot of views on YouTube, which is interesting. And we can actually find out how many exactly. Well, or because it says a rough estimation of how many monthly searches, it doesn't always make it to be true. It's just their rough estimation. It could be more, it could be less. Okay, but it's still very, very cool because, you know, if we do rank on Google and it does get lots of searches, we're making money. And this is not just one video we can do. Like I said, we're going to have tons of these little videos that are all ranking for these kind of niche keywords, and we're generating sales. Okay. It's as simple as that. So anyway, I'm going to go for this keyword, and I will see you in the next video where I will put together a Vidnami video, and then after that we're going to rank it on Google or YouTube or wherever. Okay, so I'll catch you in the next video. Take care for now. If you haven't yet subscribe to my channel, like this video, comment, and yeah, see you in the next video.